In this video, I want to answer the question, what happens when you practice Qi Gong every day? Well, amazing things can happen if you do practice it every day, so let's jump straight into it. When you practice Qi Gong every day, you begin to create steady changes in how your body feels, how your mind settles, and how your energy flows. Qi means energy, Gong means utilizing well, don't forget. In the beginning, many people notice a sense of calm, reduced tension, and a feeling of being more grounded. The nervous system starts to regulate and the body becomes more at ease. Over time, these small shifts build into deeper benefits such as improved flexibility, better balance, and more consistent energy, and even clearer thinking. Daily practice does not need to be long or intense. Even a few minutes each day can begin to support lasting change. The key is not effort, but gentle consistency and showing the body to respond naturally. So I do keep saying it all the way through my classes, keep softening your body with your mind, using your mind to keep your body soft. A bit like picking up a ladybird that's got lost in your kitchen and then taking it out gently into the garden. That's how you want to be moving the body in a beautiful, soft manner so that your energy learns to flow nicely through your body, stretching out the meridians, opening up the joints, getting the three danjians, or in the Chinese way of pronouncing it, dantians, working your three treasures. So if you practice Qi Gong every day, you will start to feel the benefits. And it's amazing. It is amazing. You do feel different. I feel less stressed, feel calmer, less anxious, feel clearer, being able to set up businesses easily, whereas before I had no idea how to do any of that. And all of it is more exciting rather than, oh, I've got to do this, have I? It's more exciting. It's opening up new doors and new avenues for me. I'm becoming more flexible. My consciousness grows each time, each year on year. My consciousness grows with my practice of Qi Gong. So if you want to go deeper with me, let's look into that. You can go to Qi Gong for Beginners. If you are brand new to all of this, I would recommend to go to that. It's a free guide, a complete guide to energy, health, and inner balance. If you wanted to know about the healing power of Qi Gong, there's an article there you can look into. But also do live online Korean Qi Gong classes where you can join me online, live. I'm a real teacher, online, live, on Thursday evenings at 7 p.m. and Sunday mornings at 11 a.m. and you can start to connect with me and get deeper into your Qi Gong practice. But there's some options there. All you need to do is click the link in the description and come through to this page and you can choose where you want to go. There's free membership at the Qi Gong, the Bite Beans Academy, where you can just go through and join for free, or you can join the Tudor membership, which has the online classes, or you can read the articles before you make any decisions whatsoever. So it's really down to you. Anyway, I look forward to connecting with you very soon, in the next video even. Till then, be well and keep shining.